Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students of 10th class, today we will learn how we can control the land degradation and which programs have been chalked out by the government to solve this great problem, to conserve the land and to save the land degradation. The government has initiated various programs in order to control the land degradation. The areas which are near to rivers, near to these nalas, mountains, hilly areas, where land degradation is on its peak, they might have seen the various programs have been chalked out. The people who are living in hilly areas, they see, or they have been, or they fully know how check dams are built to control the land degradation, how these bundles are made to solve this this problem of erosion, how these rivers, the banks of rivers are being sealed through different methods. In this regard, the following programs have been initiated by the government to control further land degradation. A lot of land has been degraded so far, but now government has government has chalked out various programs. Let's see what are they. National Watershed Development Project for rain-fed areas have been taken into hands. In 1985-86, the main aim of this is to save the water and use it in other ways, in such a way that water is used and land is saved, and degradation is minimized. National Watershed Development Board 1985-86 has been taken into hand, which has played a vital role to save the land degradation. Similarly, Integrated Wasteland Development Project has been taken into hands so that land may not go into waste and it may not go degrade. Another program which has been chalked out for the sandy areas, that is the Desert Area Development Program. This program has been made for the development of deserted areas in Rajasthan, in Gujarat, and in places where there are sandy areas. Similarly, another program has been brought, that is Drought Prone Area Development Program. The places where drought takes place, a program has been chalked out that is known as Drought Prone Area Development Program. Similarly, we have another program, that is Command Area Development Program. These all programs have been made to save the land from degradation. Similarly, we have Hill Area Development Program. These are different programs which have been developed for the safeguard of land, for the to minimize the areas which are under threat of the degradation, and for not only to save the land from degradation and use and utilize these lands for production, for conservation, for this drinking water, for this agricultural and other purposes. These programs have been made, and these programs have shown a fruitful result. From then we saw there has been a lot of change in the degradation process. Dear students, it was our today's lesson. Let's move further, inshallah, tomorrow. Thank you very much.